One of the big themes of the Ueda Sōko is breath, pranayama. And it comes up in the way that Ueda Sōko talks about enjoying tea. This is a quote from Ueda Sōko. First, take the chawan and raise it, showing your respect to the chawan by bowing. Then lower the chawan and look at the colour of the tea. You can see the bamboo colour, the green, the jadeite green. Bring the chawan to your mouth, but don't drink the tea straight away. Take a moment to inhale the steam. Okay, you're ingesting the ki. Steam was thought of as the ki. Okay, you call it you get is ki. The chashitsu, Ueda Sōko are wide and open, following Furuta Oribe. Opened up the chashitsu space again, this cramped, dark space that would have been smoky. Open it up, give some light, have some movement, get some air circulating in there. Okay, there's more windows, there's more space. And this is a big one. The walls breathe in Ensho. The only difference of Ueda Sōko's chashitsu to Oribe's chashitsu, Oribe's ennan and Sōko's ensho, is that ensho breathes. These walls are made of dirt and they need to be replaced after about 50 years because they expand and then they retract with the seasons and the humidity. And a sign of that are these marks in the wall. The beams behind it start to leave an uneven drying of the wall as they expand and retract with the humidity. So Ueda Sōko made his chashitsu as a breathing chashitsu. When you go to Ueda Sōko Chakai, you come into the Soto Roji, which is an outer roji. Again, Oribe's idea. It's very cramped. You feel restricted. But then before you enter the chashitsu, you enter a small hole in the wall and you see this vast expanse in front of you. This is the Uchi Roji, or the inner garden. So after being restricted, you can take in this green and oxygen, freedom. Another aspect, we can see the importance of breath. When Sōko died, his second oldest son, who was going to take over the Ueda family estate in Hiroshima, died before Ueda Sōko. So he was 88. He thought, this is it. So he cut all food, all water, and he just rested on the breath. For 20 days, he survived at 88 years old, no food, no water. After 20 days, he woke. This is recorded in his biography, his life, written by a person that learnt tea from him. One day he woke, and he would have had to prepare, so he had to light the charcoal and get everything ready. You don't just put on the kettle and whisk a bowl of matcha and drink it in your lounge room with your undies on, like we do now. I can tell you, I just gave away an answer in the morning. You had to do it formally back then, right? You're doing tea, you're not doing tea. So after just resting on his breath for 20 days and being very frail, he knew this was his time, made tea, drank, and passed away. And then after his bones and ashes were crushed into powder, he requested that they be set free at the foot of Kushiyama Mountain in a very strong current of the Hayase Sea. And that current whooshes out and curls through on either side of Itsukushima Island, the Miyajima Island. So even then, that sense of movement and the air of the sea and the dynamism was still very present in his ideas.